Hey, it's around here. I want to tell you about a software called GoFullPage. This particular software is something that I've used for several years now, and I pay $12 per year for it. Now, it's actually free to use as well, so you don't have to pay for it, but there's a specific use case where I like to use it. And what GoFullPage does is it actually saves your web page as a PDF or a PNG as an image. And this particular software, why this is helpful is, let's say I'm going through some sort of an upsell of a funnel. And obviously with upsells and downsells and things like that, you can only see it for about 10 minutes while you're going through the funnel. But sometimes I see one of these and I'm like, wow, that's a really good upsell page. I'd love to actually save it and maybe use it as inspiration. So I use GoFullPage to actually save it. And you just, with one click, you go to the Chrome browser or the Chrome extension, you click on it, and then it will basically save the entire page, which is really good. Another thing is sometimes I want to showcase what a template that I'm selling is going to look like to my potential customers. So what I do is I actually save that particular page by having the template open, the tab open, and then save it as a PDF. And then I link the PDF so people can see what it's going to look like. They're not going to be able to copy the images or copy the text or anything like that. And so it's really handy for me to use that. And therefore, I use that for that purpose. Now, sometimes when I'm saving different things as well with GoFullPage, I want to crop the top, crop the bottom, crop the sides. And that's where the $12 a year comes into play. If I want to crop something or I want to blur something as well, there's a blurring features as well where you can put some text over something or color over something or things like along these lines. That's paid features. So that's why I am paying $12 a year, and it's so negligible. I figured, you know what? I get good value out of it. It saves me time. The time that a couple of saves per year gives me, I'm like, 12 bucks, no big deal. So I've been a customer for probably about four years now. And it's really interesting when I think about it from a producer standpoint, because as somebody who likes to create businesses and create software, I'm thinking to myself, what a cool, simple tool that I'm willing to pay for year after year after year after year. And it's never on my list to cancel because I'm like, it's 12 bucks. I wouldn't even notice it. You know what I mean? So obviously, if you're on a budget, maybe 12 bucks is a lot of money too. That's okay. Maybe it's just a luxury tool. But 12 bucks is really negligible for me. And so I really like having that as a feature. And every time I want to save something, that's what I use. So that's GoFullPage. I don't have an affiliate link. I don't think they have an affiliate program. It is free to use. You could just Google GoFullPage Chrome extension. You'll be able to find it. That's about it. There's going to be a playlist somewhere around here with software tools that I love to use in my online business. Thanks. I'll see you in the next video.